2026 Honda Legend Red color arrives as a bold return of one of Honda's most respected luxury sedans, blending advanced technology, premium comfort, and modern performance into a sleek executive vehicle designed for drivers who want sophistication without sacrificing reliability. In the United States market, the 2026 Honda Legend is positioned as a flagship sedan that competes with luxury models from brands like Acura, Lexus, and BMW, while maintaining Honda's reputation for durability and long-term value. The exterior design of the 2026 Honda Legend in red color immediately stands out on the road. The deep metallic red paint enhances the car's elegant body lines and gives it a sporty yet premium appearance. The front fascia features a redesigned chrome-accented grille, slim LED headlights, and a sculpted hood that creates a confident and modern look. The side profile shows smooth aerodynamic curves, large alloy wheels, and chrome window trims that add a luxurious touch. At the rear, the car includes LED taillights, a subtle spoiler, and dual exhaust outlets that highlight its performance-oriented styling. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Honda Legend offers a spacious and refined interior designed for comfort and convenience. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather, with heating and ventilation functions for both front and rear passengers. The dashboard features a large digital instrument cluster and a wide touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation. The red exterior theme can be complemented with elegant black or beige interior options, creating a sophisticated atmosphere for daily commuting or long-distance travel. Technology is one of the strongest highlights of the 2026 Honda Legend. The car includes Honda's latest driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features help improve safety and provide a smooth and confident driving experience on highways and city roads. The vehicle also includes a premium sound system, wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and voice command functionality for modern connectivity. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Legend is expected to be powered by a refined 3.5-liter V6 engine combined with a hybrid electric system. This powertrain delivers strong acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions compared to traditional gasoline engines. The engine produces approximately 310 to 340 horsepower, providing smooth performance for both daily driving and highway cruising. The advanced all-wheel drive system improves traction and stability in different weather conditions, making the car suitable for year-round use across the United States. Fuel efficiency is another advantage of the 2026 Honda Legend hybrid system. Drivers can expect an estimated fuel economy of around 30 to 35 miles per gallon combined, depending on driving conditions and trim level. This balance of power and efficiency makes the car attractive for buyers who want luxury performance without excessive fuel costs. The 2026 Honda Legend will likely be available in multiple models or trims in the United States market. The base model is expected to include standard luxury features such as leather seats, LED lighting, advanced safety technology, and a modern infotainment system. The mid-level model may add premium upgrades like a panoramic sunroof, upgraded audio system, and enhanced driver assistance features. The top-tier model is expected to include advanced autonomous driving technology, premium interior materials, and additional comfort features, such as massaging seats and ambient lighting. Price is an important factor for buyers, considering the 2026 Honda Legend in the United States. The estimated starting price for the base model is expected to be around $55,000 US. The mid-level trim may cost approximately $60,000 to $65,000 US, depending on optional features and packages. The fully loaded top model could reach a price range of about $70,000 to $75,000 US, placing it in the premium luxury sedan segment while still offering competitive value compared to similar vehicles. Performance on the road is expected to be smooth, quiet, and comfortable, which is a key characteristic of the Honda Legend series. The suspension system is designed to absorb road bumps and provide a stable ride, while precise steering ensures confident handling during turns and highway driving. The hybrid powertrain also delivers instant torque, making acceleration feel responsive and effortless. In terms of reliability and maintenance, Honda vehicles are widely known for their long lifespan and affordable service costs. The 2026 Honda Legend continues this tradition with durable engineering and advanced diagnostic systems that help detect potential issues early. Owners can expect strong resale value and dependable performance over many years of ownership. Overall, the 2026 Honda Legend red color represents a perfect combination of luxury, technology, performance, and efficiency in the modern sedan market. With its stylish design, advanced safety features, comfortable interior, and competitive pricing, the car is expected to attract buyers who want a premium driving experience without moving into ultra-expensive luxury brands.